I am Dr. Abha. I will tell about Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha and I will brief a little about DFI. First, there are 6 steps. First is melting of the agarose. Second is adding the semen, liquefied semen on it. Third is your denaturation, and fourth is lysis, fifth is fixation, and sixth is staining. First, these agar, they come in Eppendorf tube. They are solid. We have to melt it, and this is the machine. There are 2 temperatures, 80 degrees C and 37. 80 is this one and 37 is this one. For melting, we'll keep it in the 80 degrees centigrade, and we'll keep it for 3 to 4 minutes. This is 80 degrees C, this is 80, and this is 37. And after it melts, then we'll make it to 37 degrees centigrade. We'll keep it here, and we'll add the liquefied semen sample, 2 drops to this. 40 microliter of liquefied semen sample in this, and we'll take over.
Just keep it very simple. What is the concept of, we don't want you to talk about microns. What is the concept, how do you do it?
Yeah, we mix semen into this agarose gel liquefied, and then mix it properly, and then we will make a slide. So on that we have a slide which is smeared with agarose.
Agarose coated slide.
Agarose, yes.
Let me show you. Okay.
So
Don't
this,
touch the surface.
yes, we have to.
Top surface is called agarose.
Yeah,
Never
there is-
touch it.
Yes, otherwise it will get dirty and we can destroy the surface, agarose coated surface. So in this slide, we have to put 2 drops of that mixed semen sample and agarose, liquefied agarose. Then we have to put 2 drops carefully and then put cover slip over it nicely. And after that, we have to keep this in fridge for 6 to 7 minutes. So when we put this in the fridge, so that would be solidified again, and then after 6 to 7 minutes we'll take it out, and then just we take the cover slip out, and that slide of agarose with semen would be there, and then we have to do all the steps like what we did. We did the denaturation process, and after that we have to lyse it and then fix it and stain it. So there are multiple solutions over there. So we have to take the lysis. We have 2 type of solutions. Lysis A.
Lysis powder with that.
Yeah.
This is stain. No? This is lysis.
First lyse.
Lyse A.
Yeah. First we have to use lyse A, then lyse the smear, and then we have to fix it with another solution. Gimsa stain. There are 2 type of stain, A or B. Gimsa A or B. So we have to stain that, and then
Fixing is done with alcohol.
yes, we have to fix that with alcohol, and after that we have to stain it. And by staining, what we see that good sperm will have a good halo, because the chromatin will be denatured and open up. So how do we say that it is good sperm or bad sperm? So sperm having good halo and opened up, so we count that one, and bad one which is compacted, like we can say that it is like tightly packed. So we take the counting, like we count first bad sperm, and then divided by bad plus good sperm. So good should be more than 80%. So we say that this is a good semen sample.
Good.
Or bad upon total.
Tell your
Bad
name.
upon total.
Bad
is
is
good plus bad.
Tell your name, who you are, then ask the question.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nitya Modi. So I just want to ask whether the DFI is a ratio of a bad sperm upon the good sperm or the bad sperm upon the total sperm.
See, the bad sperm you have to keep in the top
Yeah.
and good sperm on the below
Total
and divided by
Total.
It's a total.
Yeah, it's a total.
and into 100.
Into 100 for percentage.
So in case you count 200 or you count whatever the number has to come proportionately. So the lower number may be 200 in case you have to count 200 sperm.
Okay, this is the number.
Total number.
Total number.
And this is the bad
Bad upon total.
total number.